Okay, so if you have one of these Frigidaire refrigerators that uses the PureSource filters, and you're trying to dislodge this thing from here, from the mechanism, but it's stuck. This happened to me a number of times already since this refrigerator is relatively old. Chances are when this gets stuck, when you're trying to replace it, it's like it just got ice formation around the thing. But the solution is to just get rid of the ice without having to dismantle this whole thing. So there are two things you can do. First is you can turn it off and leave it for 2 to 3 hours until like you get like at least when you get condensation formation in like in the bottles or whatever. And then after that you turn it on, and from that point you should be able to remove this. Now if that doesn't work, what you can do, get a cup like this, ceramic mug, which can hold very hot or boiling water. Heat up water, put it in here, and put it under there, like let the steam melt the ice in there. Do that, leave it for about 30 minutes or so, and then after that you should be able to dislodge, get this thing off, because at that point ice is really melted. So once you get it done, replace the filter, then turn the thing back on, and you're good to go.